Hello and good afternoon, everybody over at Herring Electric. My name is Josh Van Nelson here at Midwest Valley Marketing. I just wanted to send you guys this free video, kind of showing you some great information on how you guys can start to increase your traffic to your guys' website, get more customers in the door, and increase your profits month after month without having to worry about a thing. With that being said, we're going to jump right into it here. Go over your guys' website. You have a great looking website. I absolutely love it. I like that catchphrase. Help you stay lit. Call now. Hate to have the lights go off. I got to click the call button. Free quote. That's awesome. You guys have all of your little services that you got here. That's great. I like the power cord. That's cool. We've also got down here below, right? We've got some content, which is great to see. You guys have more content than most people in your guys' industry, honestly, which is good, but we want to make sure that we all have more. The average homepage should have anywhere between 1,000 and 1,500 words of content on it. Google absolutely just digs this shit. It's absolutely gold to them. So, with that being said, we want to figure out what kinds of content do we need. You're saying, Josh, I get it, content, sure, but what do we need? Well, go into this tool here I like to use. It's called Ahrefs, right? This is a paid tool that we like to use. There's free versions out there that you can use at your disposal. All we do is we take your guys' URL for your website, we put it in up top here, and it shows me all of your analytics. We can figure out what keywords you guys are currently targeting. Some of the good ones that you guys have are these higher search volumes. 350 electrician Kansas City. That's a great one. Rachel House Kansas City. That's a pretty good one as well. Kansas City electrician. That's got 100. Well, so there's all kinds of good keywords that you guys currently have, but you want to go out and get more. Why? You're probably asking, why do I need more than what I've already got? Well, it all comes down to what your top competition is doing, right? We have Jeremy Electric. These guys are absolutely dominating in your guys' space right now and locally. You're probably sick of hearing about these guys, which I understand. So if I were you, I would take all this information and start slamming it into my website. That way you guys don't have to hear about them anymore. You got people calling you every single day, right? So what these guys are doing online is absolutely killing it, but you guys can do this as well. It's not that hard. We want to get all the keywords that they've got, 2,100 keywords out there, right? There's so many thousands of more, but that's all these guys have right now is 2,100 keywords. And same thing we did for you guys, we can actually go in and figure out what keywords they're using and why it's working for them. So we click on this and we can go into it here. We have all of theirs. Look at the search volume difference. Maybe. There we go. Look at the search volume difference. 500, 300, 500, 500, 8,800, 200, 200, 2,900. All of these are great keywords that you want to search. I mean, the list goes on and on. 100, 100, 350, 100, 200, 420, all kinds of great, amazing backlinks or keywords, forgive me, out there that these guys are targeting that you can easily go find yourself. Same thing with the backlinks. You want to go in, figure out what they've got. Take a quick look here. The numbers, look at this. They're getting 2.2 thousand organic traffic compared to your guys's. Let's see here, what did you guys have? A couple hundred, was it? Got a slow computer today. Here we go. 0. I'll be damned. That sucks because you guys have a great website. But the potential is there to get thousands of traffic to your guys' website every single day once you start adding backlinks and all of these keywords. Backlinks don't want to load for me. Here we go. Finally, the backlinks we can get. These are all of them right here in green. We want to go out and get those as well. We have citations, which are anywhere online, like a Facebook page, a Yelp page, a Yellow Pages, Better Business Bureau one's a good one. Anywhere that has your business name, phone number, email address, location, right? That's considered a citation. We also have guest posts, which are these high DR ones right here. They draw a lot of power to your website, which is awesome to have. The higher power links that you guys have, the faster you will rank. So we have all of that being said. Not to mention, we also have the Google My Business portion. I like this little photo you got here. The guy's working. You guys got 18 reviews, 3+ years in business, serving Kansas City. Awesome. You got a phone number, hours of operation, website linked right there. Services. We just want to make sure this is all update and to par with what your top competition, Jeremy Electric's doing. Got a good about The big one I like to always focus on is these reviews, right? We can figure out what these guys are doing based off of compare and contrast. We're going to search electricians, Kansas City, Missouri. First thing that pops up is these Google guaranteed ads. These are a great way to get to the top without having to focus on your ads or on your keywords or backlinks. This will push you right to the top right away. Otherwise, we want to focus on this, like I said, the reviews. 360 reviews. It's just a numbers game. These guys are up here because they were running an ad. I guarantee that these guys are going to fall off in absolutely no time. At 38 reviews, there's no reason that these guys are hanging up here with the top dogs right now. It's a numbers game. It's a quality and a numbers game. So, with that being said, everybody at Herring Electric, again, my name is Josh Nelson here at Midwest Valley Marketing. I hope you guys found this information useful. Feel free to use it yourself. If not a big deal. We'd be happy to assist you as well. Awesome. Thank you. Appreciate your time, guys. Have a great day.